All eyes are on the Motorola next flagship, the Edge 60 Ultra. If you love gaming, then you love this smartphone because Edge 60 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It have an octa-core CPU with a clock speed of 4.32 GHz paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB inbuilt storage. Motorola Edge 60 Ultra runs on the latest Android 15, delivering a clean and updated interface. Motorola Edge 60 Ultra also stands out with its powerful camera setup. It has a 50MP primary rear camera, 50MP wide-angle camera, 64MP telephoto shots, a 60MP front camera. The phone has a 6.82-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. The Edge 60 Ultra comes with a 4,500 mAh battery which features 125W wired and 50W wireless charging. We expect Motorola announce Edge 60 Ultra in April 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.